Welcome to a Wednesday edition of First Shift from Los Angeles. I'm Jennifer Vaughn.
And I'm Tom Warbeck. It is press preview day number 1 here at the LA Auto Show. However, some automakers revealed their newest vehicles Tuesday night here in town.
Let's check them out. Lexus unveiling the 2021 LC 500 Convertible. It's a niche vehicle in today's market. For one, it's a car in a crossover heavy market. And it's a luxury drop top with very few remaining direct competitors. However, brand officials say it's also a missing piece of the Lexus lineup. Here's Dewan Ross, head of sales operations for Lexus.
I think the reality is for the luxury coupe convertible segment, it's a small segment overall, but it's a segment that we feel like as a luxury brand we need to be a part in, right? I think there's something to be said for customers that aspire to own a halo vehicle, so I think LC Convertible will create an opportunity for our dealers to say we also have a convertible to add to the consideration list. And even if a customer comes in to look at the convertible and leaves with a different product that we offer, there's definitely nothing wrong with that as well.
Ross says the car's target buyers are those in their late 50s, early 60s with an annual income of about $300,000. The LC Convertible features a soft top that can open or close in less than 17 seconds, and it has a specially designed HVAC system with neck heaters to keep occupants warm even with the top down. It will be available in U.S. dealerships next summer.
Aston Martin revealed its first SUV, the DBX, simultaneously at events in Beverly Hills, California and Beijing. The DBX is built on a new dedicated platform, but doesn't stray from the brand's design language. It's powered by a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, making 542 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. Aston says U.S. deliveries will begin in the second half of 2020. The SUV will start at nearly $193,000, including shipping.
Lincoln adding a plug-in hybrid variant of its Corsair nameplate. The 2021 Corsair Grand Touring is expected to get 266 horsepower and have an all-electric range of more than 25 miles. The luxury compact crossover goes on sale next summer. Lincoln declined to discuss pricing, although officials say it would likely be around $50,000.
Is Bugatti eyeing an electric vehicle? Perhaps. So says Bugatti boss Stefan Winkelmann. Winkelmann says it's clear the industry is in a revolutionary phase with new technologies, including electrification. And while he doesn't see such products as the Chiron supercar going electric, Winkelmann says the tech is a possibility in a potential second model line that would be a slightly more accessible alternative.
If we would add, let's say, a second model, more usable on a daily basis, so to go from A to B into the office, then it could be a full electric car.
Winkelmann speaking with us moments before Bugatti showed off its Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. Bugatti says the vehicle became the first series production hypercar to break the 300-mile-per-hour barrier. The car left in its condition after the milestone, bugs and all.
Nissan showing the redesigned Sentra Tuesday night. The 8th Gen Sentra rides on a new platform. The model sits lower and wider than its predecessor, giving it a lower center of gravity. And the 2020 model comes standard with Nissan's suite of safety technologies and driver assist systems. The compact sedan is playing in a shrinking market as Americans migrate to roomier crossovers. But the automaker remains bullish on the Sentra. Here's Nissan Division sales boss David Kershaw.
What we're seeing, obviously, is the segments are still really big. Sentra, in the segment it competes in, is still the third largest segment in the industry right now. We're committed to growing our sedan volume. Others have obviously exited the sedans, but we feel it's very important to us.
Automotive News has learned the retooled Sentra will arrive at U.S. dealerships in early February. Pricing not disclosed.
Let's switch gears now and head to Tuesday's J.D. Power NADA Auto Conference LA.
Book by Cadillac is returning in 2020, putting Cadillac dealers this time at the center of the action while providing even greater convenience, flexibility, and value for potential subscribers.
That's General Motors Chief Marketing Officer Deborah Wall. You may recall the automaker put the Book by Cadillac subscription service on hiatus in late 2018. The program, launched in 2017, allowed customers to pay an $1,800 monthly fee that covered insurance and maintenance costs. Subscribers could swap in and out of Caddy vehicles with no long-term commitment. However, Wall says the program will return in February with a new direction.
Now, going forward, our plans call for Book by Cadillac to be integrated into the retail dealer network. So from the customer's perspective, that remains incredibly simple and intuitive. They can go on and find an opportunity to put everything in one place, and a single payment covers everything still. The vehicle, the insurance, the maintenance, all of that.
Wall says Dublin Cadillac in California will be among the first stores to test the new program. Pricing was not disclosed. And we will have much more from the show floor later today on Auto News Now.
And stay with our website, autonews.com, for industry news 24/7. Take care.